Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. We are looking at the area of a circle. How do we calculate the area of a circle? How do we find the area of a circle? Alright, I'll sketch a circle here with a radius r. Alright, so this is a circle with a radius r. So the area of the circle is given by the formula pi times radius squared. Pi times radius squared. That means the value of pi times radius. Remember, radius squared is radius times radius. All right, so that's the formula for calculating the area of a circle. Pi r squared. Area of a circle is pi r squared. Now, you see some questions where you're given the diameter of the circle and not the area of the circle. So if it's diameter, you're going to have this. That means you have r plus r, and that gives you the diameter of the circle. So if you are given a question with diameter, to get the radius, since diameter is twice of the radius, we divide the diameter by 2. All right. So if you divide diameter by 2, you have the radius. If you divide diameter by 2, you have the radius. All right. So radius is diameter divided by 2. And once you have the value of your radius, you slot it into the formula for calculating the area of a circle, which is pi times radius squared. All right. So now we go over to the playlist where we take the examples. We have a lot of examples on this, on calculating the area of a circle, and please do well to follow one after the other. So over to example 1. Thank you. Bye for now.